Hey, y'all come back with Queen Mo, baby. This is just Friday, Saturday, Sunday type action. Came from that bag. Mm, turn up. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Hey, sweet 16, turn up. Whoop. You enjoying yourself? Hey. Boo. Boo. He would have did the floss. However you do it, bounce. Do the floss for y'all. Y'all come pack with me. You see what's that? That's a towel. That's one item. That's an outfit. That's one outfit. That's an outfit. That's two, three, four, five, six. Sleep outfit. Seven. What was that? 8, 9, 10. You know, girl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say stuff in there. One pair of shoes, two pair of shoes, a whoop, 3 pair of shoes. Say, y'all coming packed with Queen Mo Nation. And had a bag. Woo! In that thing. In that thing, baby. In the suitcase only way. 18. 18 pounds, baby. With all of that stuff. Right there. All of that right there. Self-tag. Y'all see it? Came all the way from the D. Triple D. North me up type of action. I'm trying to find where they got the pounds, but I guess they didn't put the pounds on it. So it might be on here somewhere. No, I don't think it's on there. It just got the tag on it. And your girl bag was VIP. It came out all nice and neat. Everybody else had to wait for their stuff. Because normally when I go to the dang airport, I'm spoiled, baby. I'm spoiled by my cousin Juicy. She does everything for me. I ain't got to do nothing. All I got to do is pay my money and show up. That's it. Have a good time. So, I hope y'all enjoy. Like, subscribe. Girl, about to take a shower and just chill. Just chill. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all stay safe. Have a good one. Peace out.